Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is the Sweet Kawaii Design and Cricut Paper Co. planner. And we are going to use the Pumpkin King Christmas kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. This kit is super fun. Totally, to me, it just seems like so out there for Christmas, but I think it would be a lot of fun. This was a freebie. I think it had Simon popping out of a cake, and it just has some matching things, so I thought I would tie those in. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today is actually Saturday, so this will be going up tomorrow. It's like late Saturday. I don't know, I was kind of putting it off or something. I honestly think that I wasn't too sure about using this kit this week, but we're gonna go for it and it's gonna be fun. So let me tell you guys again that I still haven't done Christmas shopping. Oh my gosh, talk about putting off to the last minute. So I've just been hanging out today. It's been an actual really nice day at home. My mother-in-law's over. Her and my husband put on like the Disney Channel. They put on the the Beatles compilation thing. So they're watching that. And that was my ferret jumping off my bed. I think maybe you're supposed to put the numbers on the right side, but we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna have them on the left. I think I'm gonna do this with the headers this week. I know it's not perfect, and I just want to try something else. And the real question will be is if I can keep it like even. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'm gonna put this at the bottom too. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I know I didn't talk much. A lot of times I think if these lights are too bright, I think that when I'm like doing something strange, I forget to talk. Or I'm just like camped or something. I don't know. So I hope you guys don't mind the kind of silent video. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you guys like this video, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, then please hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day.